Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send a Solana from a Phantom wallet to BullX. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to do over here, you're going to go to your Phantom wallet, right? And once you're here in your Phantom wallet, you're going to tap on this option of send, and you're going to choose the Solana. Now afterwards you're going to go to your BullX. You're going to copy the Solana exchange address, and then you're going to post the address over here. Once you are done, tap on next. I'm just showing you an example. Then you're going to add in the worth of Solana. Make sure you have sufficient balance. Then you're going to tap on next on the top. Once you have done that, you will be able to go through the confirmation process of your transaction. Once you have done that, you will be able to review it, tap on confirm again, and you're good to go. Your transaction has gone through. Later on you can check it out on your BullX as well, whether you have received it or not. And that's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.